students, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am the faculty of science teacher. In the previous classes, we have already studied about different types of blood, RBC, WBC, blood platelets. RBC, the red pigment is found in the blood, that is hemoglobin, and it carries oxygen-rich blood and supplied to the whole parts of the body. Next one part is WBC. It acts as a soldier and fight against the disease and germs. The third one, blood platelets. If any wound or injury is there in your hands, legs, then what happen? It stops the bleeding of the blood and red clotting is there. With the help of red clotting, it covers your body and stops your bleeding. And then next we have studied about the difference between arteries and veins. Arteries carries pure blood and supply to the whole parts of the body. Veins carries impure blood and against purified by the with the help of heart. Heart acts as a pump. Now in this chapter we will study about skeletal system. Now look at here. This is the diagram of skeletal system. With the help of skeletal system, it gives shapes to your body and it provides support to your body and gives smartness to your body. Now look at here, this is the skull part, this is the collarbone, shoulder bone, chest bone. That's why your lungs are safe because of the chest bone. Ulna, fingers here, thigh bone, that is femur, tibia, fibula and toes. Clear? This is the hip bone and this is the upper arm bone, that is humerus. Clear? Now total number of in the human being, how many total number of bones are there? That is 206. 206 bones are there in the human being. And as you know, whenever your newborn baby is born, the maximum number of bones are there. Whenever they grown up, the bones are joined together. Clear? And you are looking this diagram here. The backbone, that is a spine. Jelly-like substance is present, that is bone marrow. And RBC is also present in this bone marrow. Now look at here the different parts of the skeletal system. First one, skull. You are looking this picture. This is the skull. Now backbone, spine. That is the back portion of the spine. Rib cage. I already explained you. That is the lungs are there. That is safe. And here two pairs of limbs are there. These limbs are attached to pairs of girdles. That is shoulder girdle, hip girdle. That is shoulder girdle and this is hip girdle. Clear? Now first one, skull. The skull of an adult human being has 22 bones. How many bones? That is 22 bones are there and the skull part. And that's why your brain is safe because of the 22 bones are there. Now upper portion of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones. That is the facial part. You're looking eyes, nose, here. 8 flat bones are there which protect our brain. Clear? The face and jaw contains 14 bones. And the look at here, face, the upper, this face portion, that is contains of 14 bones. Clear? And the upper jaw you can easily do the movement, but the the lower part you can easily do the movement, but the upper part is this for fixed. Clear? Now our backbone is made up of 33 small bones. Our backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. And the one by one vertebrae, these are joined together, one layer, second layer, third one layer, and give support to your body. And the spinal cord is also there inside, and that is also very safe because of this backbone. And with the help of spinal cord, in the previous chapter already I have explained you how with the help of spinal cord and giving messages to the brain, if any injury is there, if any wound is there, if any bound to give messages through different parts of the body, if any accident happen, then it gives message to the brain. Clear? So that's all today's part. Thank you.